Double check your seatbelt is fastened, bring your seats up, move your headrest, footrest, and personal device holder back to its original position. And please put away your tray tables at this time. If you're seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shade for landing. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival and be seated. We'd like to welcome you to the San Francisco International Airport, where the local flight error is approximately 3 minutes after 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. We'd like to thank all of you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you enjoyed your flight with us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. From all of us to all of you, aloha a hui ho, which means goodbye until we meet again.